guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's again here, Beccollins, Ciana. So today guys, we are going to prepare something delicious, something like omena. The small fish or cyprian cyanide in English. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, watch and comment at Beccollins, Ciana. For my ingredients, I'm not going to use so much things or much spices. For my ingredients, I have some oil here, I have some vegetable oil, I have my salt, Himalayan salt, I have my Royco cube to add flavor, I have an onion, and I have tomatoes here. For a good broth, then I have water, of course. So guys, let's start straight away. Let's go to starting our preparation. So like that, our first step is sorting and washing our omena. So begin by sorting your omena to remove any dirt, sand or unwanted particles. Then rinse twice using warm water. The reason we are rinsing our fish omena with warm water, this is to reduce the bitter fishy taste and help keep the omena clean and fresh, as you can see in the video. The second step is boiling the omena for the 15 minutes. So in a clean pot, add the rinsed omena to a sufuria, pour enough water to fully cover them, and a pinch of salt, and let them boil for 10 to 15 minutes. The reason I'm boiling my omena, this is to soften them and making them tender and easy to chew. It also helps to remove the strong smell of the omena. And so after all that, having said and done that, now transfer your omena to the cooker. Light up your cooker and start boiling your omena for the 10 to 15 minutes as we have said. Our third step, wash thoroughly your ingredients, that is the tomato, onion, ginger and garlic with clean water. Then dice them into small or chopped pieces. Then grate or crush your ginger and garlic as you can see in the video. Fourth step is draining the water from the omena. Drain off the water from the omena to ensure it's now dry. Once your omena are dry, now after that, rinse your cooking pot or take a clean pot so that you can use on frying your omena, as you can see in my video. Rinse the pot. And our final and last stage is frying our omena wet fry style. So heat oil in a pan or your clean sufuria. Add your crushed or grated ginger and garlic. Let it cook. Add your diced tomatoes. Mix well or stir well for it to be translucent and start golden brown. After that, now take your boiled omena, add to the pot and stir well to mix. Once done that, cover it and let it cook until it starts turning golden brown. After that, now stir well to mix. Add some Royco cube and the diced tomatoes. Mix well, and as you let your tomatoes to be saucy, once that, season it with salt to taste. After done that, add a little water to make it wet and saucy. That is about 1/4 cup of water. Once done that, let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until flavors combine and the sauce thickens, as you can see in my video. And just like that, your wet fried omena is ready. Serve hot with your favorite side dish, ugali rice or even boiled bananas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes. Thank you. Bye bye, and see you in our next video. Kindly let me know which video do you want me to do next, and I will appreciate so much. Keep tuned at Beccollins Ciana all the time. Bye bye.